Good morning, YouTube. Today we're gonna go fishing in Leroux Creek with all the kiddos.
Yep.
Yeah, so hold on tight, guys.
Watch.
You guys excited?
Yeah.
Ooh, and I want to go look at something.
Oh.
Maybe we'll see a bear or a moose or something.
I want to go look at that teepee.
Huh?
There's a cute little teepee out here, and I want to go see it. Yeah, that's how it's gonna go.
All right, let's go.
Seen it this low.
We might have to look.
I've never seen the reservoir this low. It's ridiculous.
Not this one.
I don't know what's going on. That's crazy.
That is crazy. I bet you we'd still get some good fishing out of that.
We might. That's crazy.
Wow. Usually the water's like up here.
Usually
it's green.
Spilling over.
Yeah.
I've never ever seen it this low.
I seen it it's low.
I bet we could. Maybe there's like some small spots where there's just pulled up water and there's fish out there.
Let's go out there.
There might be. We got to go check this out. Your
Are we
girls ready?
walking?
Yeah, let's try it. How often do we get to drive where we're not supposed to? Now we can say we drove in our side-by-side down at the bottom of the pond.
I didn't realize how shallow it was.
It's not that shallow, honestly.
I mean, it's pretty deep.
But it's 10 feet right here.
But like right there,
Yeah.
it's shallow.
Okay, we're gonna go over there by this inlet. We're gonna follow this little creek down, and I think that's a good spot to go fishing. So yeah, we'll just walk through here. I know where the fish are when it's full, but I've never seen them this low.
Is it pretty dry?
No, it's really wet. Yeah, I would take your shoes off because you're gonna lose them.
Really?
I think so. The closer we get, the wetter it gets. So crazy. Careful, stay up high. Stay up on the higher ground. Right? It's way squishy. Oh man. I don't know how far. I don't think we're gonna make it all the way to that edge. Looking pretty wet. Oh. All right, let's try it. You ready?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, now if that moves at all, okay, a good one, then you're gonna go pull on it, right?
Is it moving?
No, calm down. It'll move quite a bit, okay? Calm down. You gonna catch one? What are you gonna catch? Trout or brown? You don't know? Probably a rainbow? I'd say a rainbow. What do you have on there? Power bait? You got power bait? What kind? Glitter? Green?
Green glittery.
Ooh, that sounds pretty good. Yeah, that makes me hungry. You guys want some green glittery catfish? No? No?
It was cool.
Was it?
It was for a second.
Oh, get ready. Go. Wait. Oh yeah, pull. Reel it in. You got it.
I got something.
You got it. There you go.
I got it, Mama.
Reel it in. Keep going. Oh, you lost it. You gotta set the hook better.
Reel it in slow.
Slow. Keep going. Keep going. You gotta hold it up there, girl. What are you doing? Like that. Oh, there you go. Come on. You got it. Keep reeling. You got it. Keep reeling.
You almost got it, Mia.
It's a fighter? Keep going. Oh, there you go. Come on, pull it up on the shore.
Grab it, Mia.
Yeah, there you go. Oh, that's a nice little guy, huh?
Come on, hold it.
Your first one.
Who? Mia.
Rainbow trout. Mmm, so tasty.
Stop. Mia.
Pick him up. There you go. Here, I got the pole.
That's nice. Look at him. Little, what, 10-incher?
Bite.
Can you get it down in his mouth?
Bite you. Here.
Yeah, you got it. Here, you want some pliers? Some pliers. Here you go.
Oh, oh.
Can you get it out?
Open your mouth.
Oh, no, not that way.
Where's Willow?
Hang on. Oh,
With Mia, I mean Bucky and
You got
Alex
it.
up the little creek right here.
Stop.
little squirmer, huh?
That one was super.
Angle on that camera, Mia.
No, Neil's posting on YouTube.
Mmm. Tasty. Just like that. Okay, now we want to go cut him up. Is that deep, Buck? I don't think it was that deep. Cross it again. What? I think you should cross it again. It's not that bad.
That's nothing for a cowboy.
Yeah. Come on, partner. Got one on him.
I did. She's a
Just a little bitty one? Tenner?
baby one.
Maybe 10? Maybe?
Okay, roll it back up.
So
and we'll-
tasty.
We'll pass it out again.
I cannot wait to eat him.
Here, baby. Here you go.
Okay. Anything?
No.
Oh, you got something?
I don't think so.
Am I? You got something? No?
Keep going, keep going. It's okay. At least you didn't eat your meat. Beba, are you gonna go get some worms?
Well, keep reeling. It means you got a good one. It's a fighter. Look at him. He's a fighter. Nice little rainbow. Mmm, so tasty. Is that number 4?
Stop, I'm gonna turn it so you can turn the sheet. Kind of, I guess.
Got him.
Sweet. Good job. How many fish was that for you today?
Oh, you're gonna.
How many have you caught today?
This is my second one.
Second. Nice. Okay, the girls are whining. We got 4 fish. We're done. We're hungry. We're gonna go tear up these fish, cook them in some corn flour or something, and it's some butter.
With some sweet potato.
Sweet potato?
Yeah.
Oh God, that sounds delicious. All right, so yeah, let's go cook them up. Found this in there, a little tin can out there in the lake. I mean, always just pick up your trash, guys. It's better for everybody. We want to leave it better than we found it. So yeah, just pick up your trash. All right, pick up your trash.
Yeah, pick up your trash.
You ready? Let's say goodbye, Leroux. Goodbye, Leroux. Was it fun? Would you come back again? Was it worth it? You wouldn't come back? This is horse poop? There's no horse poop there. I've never once seen a horse poop. A lot of cow, but never a horse.
Are you gonna sit there?
Okay, off we go. Stop by, wash the old feet off a little bit. Clean the camera. What's up, guys? We just made it home, loaded everything up. We ran out of battery, so we couldn't record any of it, but yeah, on the way back. Oh, look, the crappy tire I was worried about finally blew. At least it's at the house now. I bought new ones, but just too too busy to put them on, you know. And yeah, so that's it. I mean, we caught 4 fish, 4 little rainbow trout, and got all the girls loaded up. Everything's a freaking pigsty, delicious and stuff. So first we're gonna slap in some cornmeal. Here, let's set the tripod up. Yeah, first we're gonna put some cornmeal in there, in a little bag. Then we're gonna slap some nice flour in there. Just a little bit, you know, like a handful or so of each. Wash these little buggers up. Oh, can you throw some vegetable oil in that thing? Do we have any vegetable oil?
Yeah. You want all of it?
Yes. Drip it in there real nice. Probably should be warming that up, honestly.
Yeah.
Cooking it in the cast iron. The cast iron likes to be warmed up a little bit. Put a plate around. Yeah. Find some plate. One fishy, fishy, fishy. Alright guys, we're gonna put some butter in here in each one of these little buggers. It's gonna make it so much better. Everything's better with blue bonnet on it.
It's not blue bonnet.
It's not blue on it, but
Great value.
it's great value, but you know, it's all the same, right? It's all the same. Just butter. Yeah. Right in there.
Are you a chef?
No. I don't know anything about cooking. I'm just risking it for the biscuit. But you can't really mess anything up when you're frying it, right? I mean, I think that's impossible. I'm gonna put a little lemon in there. Just the pre-limiting. I'll put more on the fish when I eat it on the plate. So much better on the stuff that we actually eat. Oh, ooh, that was way too much. I thought there was something on top of that. Definitely wasn't. Let's get some of that out of there.
Ooh.
It's about way too much garlic powder. Oops. Oh, she's frying just about perfect. So we'll give her probably, I'd guess about 10 minutes on each side. Like a nice steak. So, yeah, probably a little less, to be honest. That fish looks delicious. Look at it. Nice golden brown back here. Oh. Yeah. Okay guys, I just pulled them off. Gonna try the first one. It's gonna be delicious, I bet. Slap some more lemon juice on her, because lemon juice makes fish so much better. Look at that nice pink meat. Ooh. Little fish bones. Delicious. It doesn't get any better than that. Well, I guess that's it for today. So we'll see you tomorrow or something. Later.